Chinchpoklicha Chintamani is one of the oldest Ganesh mandals in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Established in 1920, making it one of the earliest Ganesh mandals in Mumbai. The celebration was started by a group of enthusiastic locals who wanted to bring the community together through the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi. Chinchpoklicha Chintamani has become famous for its grandeur and the unique artistry style in which it is crafted every year. The idol, which is typically 10 to 15 feet tall, the design of the idol changes every year, reflecting both tradition and contemporary themes. Chinchpoklicha Chintamani, the mandal has always emphasized the importance of unity and communal harmony. It has been a platform for people from different walks of life to come together and celebrate the festival. The mandal continues to attract large crowds and is considered one of the highlights of Ganesh Utsav celebration in Mumbai. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cultural adventures. Until next time, happy exploring.